What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be throwing down some fig jam and brie grilled cheese sandwiches.
Yes. Who doesn't love grilled cheese? And the greatest thing about this sandwich is there's only 4 components: fig, brie, mayo butter, and the bread. You can use whatever kind of bread you want. Today I'm going to use rosemary sourdough and regular sourdough. So let's get it going. Okay, let's get this mayo butter going. Get it all nice and creamy and whippy. That's right, whippy. Just made up that word. It is mine. You may not have it. I also let the brie and the butter sit out for about 45 minutes to an hour before I start this whole process, so they'd already be melted a little bit. I'm going to start off with this rosemary sourdough. Get a good look at it. This bread, you can see all that good rosemary.
Okay, so now we're going to evenly spread our mayo butter onto one side of each slice of bread. The mayo butter combination helps it not to burn. Then we'll spread our fig jam to the opposite sides of each slice. Finally, we'll slice some brie and mash it on top of our fig jam side. One last check of the heat, and boom.
All right, let's see what we got here. Flip them over. Ooh, I like that. Nice and golden. These bad boys are done. Let's bring them back over here to the cutting board. So what you can do, you can give it a little bit of party cut. You got all these yummy, crusty leftovers.
Enjoy all that cheesy yumminess. And thanks for watching.